at LR Works. Okay, so now we want to pick up the tire. What tire? We'll see. Hello, my boss. Hello, Riley. How are you? How are you? Long time no see, yeah. Can. LR Works. You guys need to do coating, wash your car, protect your paint. Come here. Adjustable also got, tires also got. LR Works. Okay. Can. Here. No space already. Put in front. Put one there. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay lah. Yeah, this one play first lah. Later on can buy again lah. Yeah, later on Zestino sponsor bah. Yeah, D-Tex. This one what brand? From China lah. China tire lah.
This one put in the back, is it, or how?
I think just on the can kah? Because at the back here also got tire already. No space. Maybe buka lah. Maybe one here and one at the back. I think can lah. D-Tex. Guys, if you guys want to have cheap tire to play around with, this one can go for lah. This one and Joy Rod lah.
Yeah, Joy Rod.
Joy Rod is street tires lah.
Yeah, this one is like not considered to ultra high performance.
Oh, USP tires lah. Okay lah. This one
200 only lah.
yeah lah. Not bad oh.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Very
affordable also, but economic lah. Economic use lah. After this, I go to
you got a number in stock
Sin Yakin first. Send Raymond's tire first. He buy my RG, Alvan RG.
Oh. Why you sell RG? RG nice eh?
Huh?
RG also quite nice one.
I buy Connect already.
Oh.
There inside there. Can lah.
How is the design? The Tommy one? Hypergram ba?
Decagram.
Decagram.
Decagram. Floor forming lah, that one.
Very lightweight.
Yeah. Okay lah.
Okay.
Alright, brother. Later on, I transfer to you lah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, can close. Okay. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, LR Works, guys. Don't forget to come here. Bye-bye, guys. Fuyo, shopping penuh. So I just left LR Works. Okay, I pick up my D-Tech, DTAX kah? DTAC kah? Excuse me. I just pick up that D-Tech tire. It's basically a economical. I don't know lah. Economy UHP tires now. Economy UHP tires. Very affordable. It's only about 190 to 200 ringgit, something like that. The reason why I buy this tire and not Kumho ka, not Toyo ka, not whatever it is because of I'm waiting for my Zestino actually. I'm waiting for my Zestino. Zestino, the whole Malaysia, no stock bro. So we have to wait for the next shipment to come now. Maybe in the next 1 month or 2. Still long way. But I need tires ASAP. Because of once Kalang is done with the wiring, definitely I need my wheels to move the car lah, right? So I don't have any spare tires. So that's why I just buy this one. It's quite cheap as well. It's about this one I bought for 190 ringgit. 195, 55, 15. Semi UHP lah. semi HP. The pattern, you can see the pattern here. If you can see lah, ada macam, I don't know, ADOR kah? I also don't know lah, whatever lah. Yeah, so yeah, my car is full with tires. Yeah, see, my car is full with tires, with rims. Yeah guys, so right now I'm on the way to SSH Sin Hiak Hin to drop off the, what do you call that? To drop off my Alvan RG, which is being bought by Raymond. Thank you again one more time, and I'll update you guys after this lah. Kita udah sampai Sin Hiak Hin. Sini. Masa apa dek? Masa apa dek? Sorang. Jawab, pagi kok.
Sure, with Tayar ya.
Jom. Terima kasih Arban Haji. Khidmat untuk 3 hari ya, 2 hari ya, 3 hari.
Malam ya.
Semalam aja. Aduh. Jauh ke Usin. Sikit sama aku Usin. Konik. Hypergram. Boleh lah. Gat. Pesta dek.
Itu kecil lah kita.
Bila tak serius kan?
Jangan.
Cek engine hidup lah. Oh, engine Audi ya, Amel.
Aku tukar engine dengan Mo.
Oh.
Pakai 1.0 gini.
Oh, patutlah kau cek engine. Okay guys, so ya ajaklah. Selesai hantar Tayar dengan selesai ambil hantar. Okay, so that's about it. If you guys want to service your car, you can come to Sin Hiak Hin here at Green Road. Raymond will give you the best service for sure. So alright guys, thank you very much. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye bye. Kau di sini deh?
Dari tadi.